What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Dio. I'm coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at a Nikelab Essential Tee. I think this is the cheapest tee I've ever seen for Nikelab. It's been around $14 total. Let's get into it. So like I said, this was super cheap. If you guys like the content, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. Posted a ton of content on Nikelab and Nike Tech. I try to bring you guys different stuff that you don't really see on other channels. Here we have it. Nikelab Essential Tee. Super dope. Has a very unique swoosh, which is super weird. Let me see. So as you guys can see, it's all white. Overall, it's pretty good condition. Actually, it's really good condition. I think the only thing it needs is get rid of all these wrinkles. Other than that, it's like super clean. I don't see any like stains or anything. So for $14, I think this is super good. But the swoosh is super weird to me. It almost looks like they tried to bleach the swoosh, like Sharpie over, because it's like gold and like purple. I'll get you guys up close, but I don't think that is actually the case because it has purple stitching in the back. So I've never seen a piece like this, with like a weird halfway colored swoosh. So that's super interesting. But I got this piece in the XL. I would definitely recommend going true to size or down, around there, kind of depending. Let me get this out of the way. I personally go true to size, but I know some people don't like the oversized look. So it's just kind of up to you how you want to do that. Definitely wouldn't recommend going up. Don't go up a size means that would be way too big. I have a couple of my pieces that are just too big for me now. That's why I had to get rid of them. So overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. $14, that's a super steal. It's a good quality tee. It's a nice 100% cotton. I can tell it's been washed. I think it's held up great. There's no stains. Super interesting swoosh and just a white Nikelab tee. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I try to bring you guys some different content. This is the cheapest Nikelab Essential Tee that I've seen personally. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I have a ton of content on Nikelab and Nike Tech, and also I feed unboxings. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stay at the end for the try on. I'm out.